Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I feel trapped, backed into a corner. Sometimes I feel like I've been putting on a fake persona. I'm still gon' stand my ground, a rap warrior. Give me the nod and I'll be going to bat for ya. You are me, you, all of you listening, all of you waiting and hoping and wishing for one to come through who gonna open your vision until you see the bright light shining in the distance. We all got problems like everybody else. I always tend to lose when I battle with myself. I rebel with the booze and I jeopardize my health. Walk a day in my shoes, then tell me how you felt. Never judge till you fully understand. You'll never see it coming cause the shit is never planned. You'll never know his actions until you know the man. And you'll never know the man if you never lend a hand. Life can be challenging, hard and complex. Be ready for the challenge. Take a deep breath and stand up when the strength in your legs done left. Look deep in yourself, deep in yourself. Life can be challenging, hard and complex. Be ready for the challenge. Take a deep breath and stand up when the strength in your legs done left. Standing for what I believe, cause I got a set of nuts. Digging deep inside myself like I'm shoveling my guts. Never have before, cause I never gave a what do you wanna be when you finally grow up? That's a question I never really got. I'm gonna be me if you like it or not. That's how I used to think until I finally thought that it's not that easy. Cause life brings a lot of change and hard pains and certain things that change your mind frame and rearrange your mentality. What my nephew and niece think about me is more important than your hourly salary. If you don't get it yet, then you will. Maybe you won't, but maybe you will. Maybe you'll feel the way that I feel. Then maybe you'll see that I'm trying to keep it real. Life can be challenging, hard and complex. Be ready for the challenge. Take a deep breath and stand up when the strength in your legs done left. Look deep in yourself, deep in yourself. Life can be challenging, hard and complex. Be ready for the challenge. Take a deep breath and stand up when the strength in your legs done left.
Cyberspace. That's WW. It's your favorite MC. And mine. Wizard Man.
First off, I'm not your regular dude. I bust moves like a young MC. Yeah, sorta, that would be me. Got me thinking about putting down the mic one day. Then I get some more love. Thanks for the love you gotta play. Hey, what can I say? I'm a Leo to the finish, man. I love God, so my faith won't diminish, man. Once I step up to the mic, I speak truth. Hip-hop wasn't designed to exploit the black youth, but somewhere along the lines, we dropped the ball, yeah. I mean that man in the mirror, yeah, that ball dude. But now I'm back to right the wrongs of my past world. So let me walk this off my list like my name's Earl. Articulate my thoughts clearly like Professor Les. Do you remember Rap City with Deja and Les? I'm looking at the front door, bless the main source. You're full yet, wait till I hit you with the main course. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did. You know I still got it, why you brag about it? I be on solo, making my money it along. You like my raps, but really I write songs. I like to do it like this once in a while to show some versatility and make you all smile. It's been a long time coming, I know, I feel it too. The more I take a break, it's like the more I break through. With my timeless bass boy funk, I'm on point. You bless this microphone every time I anoint the pen, the pad. I face the bad head on. Escape inside the music, see my diary's a song. It's on till I write my next verse, then I go again into the studio. I feel I gotta flow again. This ain't just music to me, it's like my recipe. To be honest, it's more creative tranquility. This ain't just music to me, it's like my recipe. To be honest, it's more creative tranquility. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my monies grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my monies grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. They say they get me, I don't think they ever got me. My name's Kowalski, but they call me Kawasaki. Online I'm funds, but in real life I'm more like Chachi or Cola. I told you, I'm funky like granola. Bars, can't you see that I'm a star? Who pumps his own gas in the cold really fast? As I pass on your gold digging stash, I'd rather make my own money, not advance me loan money. Nope. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my monies grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. I was spitting when you was a kid, you doing what I did, you know I still got it. Why you brag about it? I be on the solo, making my monies grow residual. I'm individual, nobody's got my DNA. So there you have it. Nobody's got my DNA. Nobody's got my DNA. Nobody's got my DNA.
Kill it. This news should not come as a surprise. See the shackles round your ankles. If you stop down and open your eyes.
Systemic oppression presses into the streets with poignant signs bobbing overhead to the beat. Acute angles aimed to marginalize protests of corporate greed. So now we sit circle ponder how to proceed. LLCs post record profits in the billions, leeching hundreds of dollars for deprived civilians. We re-educate without lines of socioeconomic crimes. We reoccupy the minds, cast off different minds.
On the positive side, how do we ensure democracy survives? After we yank the knobs out of living besides. Do what they do at the Occupy. As the people's went, citizens' voices amplified. Reduce big government in size. Stop the corruption. The Fed is leaving. To the flag and the eagle. The Fed is leaving. This news, it should not come as a surprise. You see the shackles around your ankles. If you stop and open your eyes.
This news, it should not come as a surprise. You see the shackles around your ankles. If you stop and open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Most post-modern politicians suck us like a virus. Direct democracy in its infancy, slapping smiles across our faces. With unanimity, we create our own policy, restoring confidence in the human race. Bicameral politics are senseless, so we work with consensus. Step to the horn with fallacious arguments, find yourself defenseless.